Hi there, this is Srikanth Dasari. So, in this lesson, we are going to learn about the various operators, especially arithmetic operators in Java. Okay, so first let me launch the IDE. So, we know that we are using NetBeans 8.0, which always takes a second to load. Okay, so first let me create a new project here. So, file new project, Java application, click next. Let's name our project as arithmetic, whatever you wanted. Okay, and I'm just clicking the finish option here. Okay, so NetBeans takes the privilege of creating all the empty class structure here. Okay, it gives us in the project section here arithmetic.java, and it has some comments. Let me get rid of all the comments here at the very beginning. Okay, so I've got rid of all the comments. I'm just indenting the code here. Okay, so arithmetic operators are in the DNA of every programming language. If you take C, C++, or any other programming language in the world, every programming language comes up with a set of operators, rich set of operators, so that the programmer, which gives the programmers the ability to build some expressions and perform his or her scientific calculations. Okay, so the arithmetic operators, I'm writing it in a comment here, the arithmetic operators in Java are going to be like this. Again, I have taken another comment here: plus for addition, minus for subtraction, and asterisk for product, and slash for division, and percentile for remainder. Okay, so first let me take two variables to demonstrate how to build expressions using these arithmetic operators here. I have taken two variables, ivar1, ivar2, and int result. Okay, so ivar1, ivar2, and int result. I have taken total three variables here. So to make it as simple as possible, I'm just initializing this with some values like 10 and 30 or whatever you wanted, some dummy values, instead of taking input from the keyboard. So now, so let's build an expression here. Let's say the result is equal to ivar1 plus ivar2 here. Okay, so I've just built an arithmetic expression. Let's write a comment here: arithmetic expression for addition, okay, which performs the addition here. Okay, arithmetic expression, let's say in a detailed manner here, so which performs addition. Okay, so the result of this expression is going to be the sum of the two variables here. Okay, so let's print out the result here using our system.out.println statement. System.out.println as a method. Println is a method which is used to print the data. So now let's write some text here, the sum of. Okay, so here we have to use our concatenation operator in Java, which is plus. Let's say ivar1, again plus, and write some text here, and just to print it with some clarity, I am making a huge sentence here. All these things are not mandatory. Again, you have to keep the plus concatenation operator, variable, and text. If you want to concatenate the variable with your the name of the variables with your actual text, you need to use this concatenation operator in Java. Okay, so next again plus symbol here, and to finally to have the result here. Okay, so before that let's say is whatever you wanted the text. Okay, so end the statement with semicolon, and now let's run our tiny little program and look what the output is going to be here. So it's taking a moment. Okay, The sum of 30 and 40 is, sorry, the sum of 10 and 30 is 40 here. Okay, so this is what you observe. So since we have built an expression here, arithmetic expression using our plus addition operator, we have built an arithmetic expression, and we have just evaluated the result of these two variables, and we have just stored that result using this assignment operator here. Okay, is equal to is the assignment operator, and just we have in the very next statement we make use of the system.out.println statement, and we have just displayed the output here. Okay, so in the same way, so let's build another expression. So result is equal to, so I var 1 subtracted I var 2. Okay, so again I'm making use of control C, control V. I'm just copying the whole statement, copied and pasted again the whole statement, and just making a change in output. The difference between I var 1 and I var 2 is, okay. So now we have built an arithmetic expression, and let's write it in a comment. Arithmetic expression which performs subtraction here. Okay, so which performs the subtraction here. Okay, so if you run this tiny little program, so you get the difference between the 10 and 30 is minus 20 here. Okay, so in that way, so we can keep on building the arithmetic expressions for all the rest of the operations here. The result is equal to I var 1 asterisk and I var 2. Okay, so I var 1 and I var 2. Again, I'm just copying and pasting it, the whole statement. So now we can just change the system.out.println statement here. The product of I var 1 and I var 2, the product of I var 1 and I var 2 is going to be the sum result here. Okay, so in the same way, let's complete all the expressions here for the remaining operators also. So I var 1 by I var 2. Okay, so again let's copy the statement and let's print it out, paste it out again, and you can say the quotient of I var 1 and I var 2. And again let's place the last expression here, which is I var 1 remainder. Here we need to find out the remainder using the percentile operator. Okay, so let's write the comments. Arithmetic expression, the arithmetic expression which performs product, okay, or else let's say multiplication. Okay, so arithmetic expression, let's write it in detail here. The arithmetic expression, so which gives the quotient, here. Okay, so arithmetic expression. So all these lengthy comments are not mandatory, so all these things help us in the better understanding of the program. So whatever the program you are going to do, the arithmetic expression, so which gives the remainder here. Okay, so let's again print out the same system.out.println statement here, and let's say the remainder of the expression. Okay, so now if you run your tiny little program, so here you get all the basic arithmetic operations, the result of all the basic arithmetic operations. So if you observe here, at the time of the quotient, you got the result as 0. Okay, so that's because we will learn about that in detail when we are talking about the typecasting. So the result that has come out as 0 because it's the integer, the result here, the integer is an integer, or the result variable is an integer, so which can't hold the decimal or fraction part of that calculation here. Okay, so for that reason it's just showing the value as 0. So if you change your expression to ivar 1 and ivar 2 and ivar 1 here, and if you run this program, so now you get the expected result here. Okay, so 30 by 10. Also we need to change that in the expression also. Let's do that. Ivar 2 and ivar 1 here. So now if you run your program, so you get the quotient exactly 30 times 30 divided by 10. The quotient is 3 here. Okay, so this is the basic stuff about the various arithmetic operations in Java. We have done nothing much excited here. We have just learned about the different arithmetic expressions, and we have built relevant arithmetic expressions, arithmetic operators, using the arithmetic operators, and we have just outputted the result using our system.out.println here. Okay, so see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.